Now, one thing I need you to look for when you're hemming pants is that both pants are even, the same length. In this case, they are not. You pinch the waist together and stretch out the legs. And you can see one pants leg is longer than the other. Now, if you don't do this and you just happen to take an inch off or half an inch each leg at different times, you will still have uneven legs. So the way to do this, to make sure they're both even, put the pants legs together like this. Make sure the waist is together to allow for specific measuring. You can mark it like that. The chalk would work. And cut. Cut both legs together. Or you can cut them separately. Another way is to roll up the longer leg. One side is even shorter than the other. And make sure they're the same length before you start measuring. And just measure 1 inch on both. But you have to make sure the pants are even, the pants legs are even together. Measure that 1 inch and measure the other one 1 inch. But you just want to make sure that the pants legs are even before you start cutting. I'm cutting both legs at the same time. This will save a little bit of time. Make sure you have really thick scissors. Really durable scissors. And these are stretch jeans like the other pair I hemmed up earlier today. But we're going to do this the other way. Instead of tacking this hem back on, we're going to create our own hem just like that. Fold it up twice. And then you want to fold it over again like this. Then we want to sew along the edge. Get it close to the edge as possible. Now that we have both legs even, we want to create a double rolled cuff like this. So what we would do is roll this twice. And then sew right here. We actually want to turn these on the wrong side and do that. Now you see where I have it pinned. Now it's time for us to go sew it. And you're done. And these are the finished pants. Boys' jeans.